The PNI CP200 wireless conversion module allows easy integration of CarPlay and Android Auto functions directly from the factory without having to depend on cables. Offering USB-C connectivity, this device transforms the experience of using your car by adding quick access to your favorite applications such as navigation or music. Compatibility with the USB-C port means that the PNI CP200 module provides safe and efficient power supply with a voltage of 5 volts and 1 amp. This ensures not only optimal device operation but also the speed and stability of the wireless connection, allowing users to connect without hassle. With small dimensions, the PNI CP200 module is designed to integrate perfectly inside your car. Its compact design does not take up much space and it is easy to install.